Summary of the Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. The psychology of money explores how people think, feel, and behave with money. It emphasizes that financial success is less about knowledge and more about behavior. The book presents several short stories that highlight key principles of wealth, greed, and happiness. Key takeaways. Money is more about psychology than math. Financial decisions are often driven by emotions, experiences, and personal biases rather than logic or intelligence. Understanding your own money mindset is crucial. Wealth is what you don't see. Being rich is about earning a lot, but being wealthy is about saving and investing wisely. True wealth is the ability to maintain financial freedom, not just showing off material possessions. The power of compounding. Small, consistent investments grow exponentially over time. Warren Buffett's fortune largely comes from decades of compounding rather than just smart investing. Control over time is the ultimate wealth. Financial independence means having the freedom to choose how you spend your time. Money should be a tool to gain more autonomy in life. Enough is the key to happiness. The constant pursuit of more can lead to dissatisfaction and risk-taking. Recognizing when you have enough prevents unnecessary financial stress. Luck and risk play a big role. Success in finance is not always about hard work. Luck and timing matter. Similarly, failure does not always mean poor decisions. External factors play a role. Save more than you think you need. Savings give you flexibility, reduce stress, and provide security in uncertain times. The ability to save is more important than high income. Long-term thinking wins. Short-term market movements are unpredictable, but long-term growth is steady. Patience and consistency in investing lead to greater reward. Avoid financial ego and overconfidence. People often overestimate their ability to predict markets. A humble and cautious approach leads to better financial decisions. Financial success is not about it, but behavior. Good financial habits, like budgeting, saving, and investing, matter more than high intelligence. Avoid emotional decision-making, like panic selling during downturns.